Ladda village of Udhampur. It is the last village from Udhampur side, and as you can see those hills, these are Trikuta hills. This is Mata Vaishno Devi's hill, and just one hill and you are in Riyasi district. And as you can see, this one is the road. Here is no local connectivity, only one bus is available for whole of the day. So as Ladda is one of the remotest villages of Udhampur, because no electrification has been done till now. People live here without electricity. Even they have installed solar panels for the purposes of recharges and all. Recharging their phone batteries and all. You won't find many. You can have a look. You will find pine trees all over around the forest, these hills, and this one is T1. I have taken my parents for this track. Guys, he's my father, my mother. They are just resting. Say hi to audience. They are a bit shocked. Come on, you can do it. Shabash, keep supporting each other. Yeah, you can do it. So they are wonderful. Let me tell you. Pine trees all around. Guys, let me tell you one more thing. As these residue from pine trees, this is the best fuel for fire, and one of the reasons of forest fires. They can get ignited even by a spark of light or something. So be careful while you are in the forest. They are finding it difficult to climb, but still they are trying hard. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah. Come on. Come on. She's 50 and she's 58. Yeah. But still they are making it. That's a good thing at this age. Yeah. Aram se. She's trying to find her own way. Come on, guys. Double up. Hi. She's the runner-up, guys. Nah, you are the first runner-up. Second runner-up is this Bia. Very good, you are doing it awesome. Come on, don't stop. Very good. Yeah. Guys, you can look at my father and my mother. They are finding their own way, the easy one. And there are my Bobby and Dia. So how are you feeling reaching this point? हाँ? क्या आप थक चुके हैं? अभी रेस्ट की तमन्ना होगी. चलो, come on. Guys, he's a local. He knows the routes by his heart, and his name is Nek Kumar. You are watching this beautiful scenery of Samni Dhar, mighty hills, Mata Vaishno Devi's. Yeah, guys, this can be a camping site. Now, let us move a little bit further. We'll try to have a final view. Let's just go this side first. Let's see what is in there. This place is really exciting, man. It's been 3 hours since we have started trekking, but I think this is one of the best places around here, and you can have a really nice trek along with these meadows, these beautiful scenes. When we started our trek, it was pretty sunny, but now the weather is changing. I think by the time we go downhill, we'll need some woolen clothes or something like that. I bought my jacket, but guys, this can be a good, nice trekking site. My parents, my Bhabhi, and this guy, he's the local, and he's the one who has shown me the way for the trek. All thanks to him. On the one side, this is the top. They will find some houses. People here are very simple. They don't bother about luxuries.